Can you check liked stories on Instagram? Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your Instagram application on your device and make sure you are signed in. Now, if you go ahead and open someone's story and then tap on the like button, and now if you want to see the liked stories, then tap on your profile icon on the bottom right of your screen and then tap on the three lines on the top right of your screen. You will be led to the settings and activity page, so scroll down and you will see the option for your activity. Tap on that and now tap on the likes option under the interactions tab. Here in the interface that you will be led to, if you tap on the all content types drop down, you will see various options such as posts, reels, threads. However, you will not see the option for stories anywhere, so unfortunately, you cannot check like stories on Instagram as stories expire after 24 hours basically. So, if you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.